Here are strange facts about sneezing. Some people have a condition called photic sneeze reflex, which causes them to sneeze in response to bright light. The Guinness World Record for the most sneezes in a row is held by Donna Griffiths, who sneezed 977 times in a row. Sneezing can cause small blood vessels in the eyes to burst, resulting in temporary redness. Holding in a sneeze can cause damage to the eardrums or even rupture them. Sneezing can also cause muscles in the back and chest to contract, leading to soreness or discomfort. A sneeze can be as loud as 100 decibels, which is equivalent to a car horn.